Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp using too much storage. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to launch your WhatsApp, select your chats, and if you see some of the chats that are not important anymore, you're going to have to delete each one of them. Once you do that, head over to your Play Store and make sure your application is updated. So search for WhatsApp. If you see update, select update. If you see open, that means your application is already updated. So let's head over to our settings, select the apps button, and here also search for WhatsApp. We also have to clear the cache, so select storage and clear cache. Come back onto app info page. Here select force stop and then select OK. Once you do all that, if there are certain applications that you do not need, you're going to have to delete that as well so that your WhatsApp could use some more storage. So go ahead, delete that application. If this is the app, go ahead, select uninstall and delete it. Once done, restart your device, launch your WhatsApp, and it will fix your problem.